Let me show you how to clean your iRobot Roomba 505 Plus. So first of all, we can use a microfiber cloth sheet, and then if you want to clean it outside, you can just swipe it. It's normal, you know how to do it, it's easy. But let's cover the more complicated parts. If we remove our cover, we'll be able to see our dustbin. We can also remove it by clicking on this yellow button and pulling it out. Inside we can find our HEPA filter. So before we start cleaning, I would recommend to remove it. And to clean your HEPA filter, you shouldn't use any water. Instead, what you can do is put it above the trash and hit it on it until all of the dust is removed. If your filter is too damaged or is just overflown with dust, I guess you should replace it. There's no other way. I wouldn't recommend using any cleaning solutions and anything that would damage it. So now when our filter is removed from the dustbin, we can open our dustbin by pulling on this lever like this, and then we should remove all of the dust. Now when it comes to cleaning this part, honestly I would use water, so you can just pour it under water or something like that when the filter is not attached to the dustbin. So that part, I guess, is covered. Now let's move on to our bottom side of that robot. So on the bottom side of our robot, first thing is the sensors. You should sometimes clean those sensors, and you can use any LCD cleaner with the microfiber cloth sheet and just swipe on them until they are clean. Next step is a roller. All you have to do is click on those buttons and remove the cover. After that we can find our roller, and then you can clean it. In this case, honestly, you can use water because it's rubber, but I wouldn't. Instead, what I would do is just swipe it with my hands. Instead, in case it's very dirty, then honestly you can use that water. So we have that covered. Next things will be the mop pots. If you have them attached, you can just remove them from their plastic cases and just run them under water with something that will clean them. And there's also a rotating brush right here, and to actually clean it I wouldn't use water as well, as all of the dust can get inside the brushes and then they will be very messed up. So what I would do is just swipe it with fingers or some cloth until all of the dust or webs or whatever is removed. And that is our entire robot cleaned. So that is basically everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.